Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do circumference and area of a circle. First is circle. The circle with the center O and radius R unit is the figure consisting of all those points of a plane through O which are the constant distance R unit from the O. Means जो center है O उससे equal distance पे जितने भी R distance पे जितने भी points है, if we join these points will make the circle. Next, circumference of circle. The perimeter of the circle is called circumference. Next is diameter. Diameter is a chord passing through the center of the circle is known as the diameter. OA is radius and AB is a chord. Diameter always passes through the center. So, if we draw like this, AB, that will be the diameter, and this AB, that is a chord. Clear? Next, relation between diameter and circumference. The ratio of the circumference of circle and its diameter is always constant. Make 3 circles of different sizes and measure the circumference and diameter and arrange your result in the form of table. So, अगर आप इस तरीके से circumference and diameter का ratio देखेंगे, that will always be constant. तो conclusion क्या निकलेगा? You will find out in each case the ratio circumference upon diameter that is equals to 22/7, that is pi 3.14. So pi की value क्या हो जाएगी? You can write 22/7 or 3.14 approximate. C upon D. C circumference upon D diameter that is equals to pi. So C equals to pi D. C circumference equals to क्या हो जाएगा? 2 pi r. D किसके equal होता है? 2r के. So ये हो जाएगा 2 pi r. The number pi is not the rational number. It is non-repeating, non-terminating decimal. Hence, its value cannot be exactly represented. So we take the value of pi as 22/7. Example लेते हैं. Find the circumference of circle whose radius is 42 centimeter. So radius is given, we have to find out circumference. So solution क्या हो जाएगा? Radius is given 42 centimeter. Circumference हो जाएगी 2 pi r. So 2 into 22/7 in place of pi into 42. That is 264 centimeter. That is our circumference. Clear? Next, quick fundas. Pi is placed outside the bracket and its numerical value is substituted only in the last part of the working. Some more examples are given here. Practice it also. Next is points to remember. The perimeter of the circle is called its circumference. जो perimeter होता है circle का, that is called its circumference. Next is learning target 14.1. Critical thinking. Use pi equals to 22/7 or 3.14. The result in general depend on the value of pi used. Means pi की हम क्या value ले रहे हैं, उस पर result depend करता है. In the following, C equals to circumference, D equals to diameter and R equals to radius. Find the unknown part. In first question, C means circumference is given, that is 7.7 meter. We have to find out diameter and radius. So as we know, C equals to 2 pi r and r equals to क्या हो जाएगा? C upon 2 pi. So r equals to C 7.7 is given. 2 pi will take as 22.7. तो 7 ऊपर आ जाएगा. डेसिमल हटाएंगे 10. 2. 7 7s are 49. 4 into 10. So ये हो जाएगा 1.225 meter. That is our radius. डायमीटर इक्वल टू हो जाएगा 2r मीन्स 1.225 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 that is 2.45 meter. That is our diameter. Clear? So you have to practice all the questions. Next is area of a circle. On a thick sheet of paper, draw a circle with any given radius, say r centimeter. With a pair of scissors, cut the sheet of paper along the circle. Thus we get a circular disc of radius r centimeter. Figure A shown a circle divided into 16 equal parts. These parts, numbered 1 to 16, are cut out and rearranged as in figure B. So this circle is divided into 16 equal parts, and then ये parts को cut करके we have arranged like this, like a rectangle. Notice that they fit in perfectly and there is no gaps. This look like a rectangular region, but it is not exactly so. However, if the disk is divided into very large number of equal sectors, then these sectors are arranged as shown above. Then the above figure will become very near to the rectangle. Clear? The length of the rectangle will be equal to the half of the circumference and breadth will be equal to the radius of the circle. So area of circle क्या हो जाएगा? Area of the rectangle with the length equal to half of circumference and breadth equal to its radius. So that is equals to 1 by 2 circumference into radius. 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 pi r, that is circumference, multiplied by r equals to pi r square. Thus the area of circle of radius r equals to क्या हो जाएगा? Pi r square. Let's take an example. Find the area of circle of radius 5.6 centimeter. Radius is given, we have to find the area. So solution क्या हो जाएगा? Area of circle equals to हो जाएगा pi r square. Pi equals to 22/7 into 5.6 into 5.6 centimeter square, that is 98.56 centimeter square. That is the area of the circle. Clear? Next, points to remember. The number pi is not a rational number. Circumference of the circle, that is equals to 2 pi r. To approximate value of pi r, 22/7 and 3.14. A better approximation is 3.1416. Area of circle equals to क्या हो जाएगा? Pi r square. Next is learning target 14.2. Subject enrichment. Use pi equals to 22/7 or 3.14. The result in general depend on the value of pi used. In the following, A area, C circumference and R equals to radius of the circle. Find the unknown part. Take pi as 3.14. So in first question, circumference is given, that is 31.4 meter. So first we'll find out R and then area. C equals to होता है 2 pi r. R equals to हो जाएगा C upon 2 pi. R equals to हो जाएगा, C is given 31.4 upon 2 multiply by 3.14. We'll take the value of pi as 3.14. That is equals to 0.5 meter. Clear? That is the value of R. Now we'll find out area. Area equals to होता है pi r square. Pi 3.14 r 0.5 multiplied by 0.5, that is equals to 0.785 meter square. That is our area and this is our radius. So this way we can find out radius and area. You have to practice all the questions. Next is area of an arc of a circle. A continuous piece of a circle is called an arc of it. In the given figure, AB is an arc and the radius is R. In this figure, this AB is an arc एंड r जो है that is its radius of the circle. Length of an arc of circle. The length of the thread that will wrap along this arc from A to B is the length of the arc AB, written as, arc को हम इस तरीके से लिखेंगे. Clear? Next, degree measure of an arc. The degree measure of the central angle of an arc is called the degree measure of an arc. The degree measure of an arc AB is denoted by M, ब्रैकेट में आ जाएगा AB. Thus, if angle AOB is x degree, then we write measurement of arc AB equals to x degree. The entire circumference 2 pi r subtend an angle of 360 degree at the center. जो सेंटर पे एंगल बनेगा टोटल दैट इज ऑफ 360 डिग्री. its measure is 360 degree. So length of arc upon 2 pi r equals to x degree upon 360 degree. So length of arc equals to क्या हो जाएगा 2 pi r multiplied by x degree upon 360 degree, where x is the measurement of arc. Next is quick funda. Draw a circle and divide its circumference into 8 equal parts. Note that angle subtended at the center by any part equals to 360 divided by 8, that is 45 degree. One more quick funda is given. An arc is the part of continuous curve. Let's take an example. The arc of the circle of radius is 14 cm, subtended angle of 72 degree at center. Find the length of the arc. So length of arc equals to क्या हो जाएगा 2 pi r multiplied by x degree upon 360. So 2 into 22 upon 7. R की वैल्यू हो जाएगी 14 सेंटीमीटर and angle कितना है 72 degree. So solve this, we'll get 17.6 centimeter. That is the length of arc. Clear? Next, area of a sector. Consider a circle where center O, OA and OB are the two radii and AB is an arc of the circle. AB क्या है? Arc है and OA and OB are radii of circle. Sector. A sector of a circle is the region enclosed by an arc of a circle and two radii of its end point. Sector angle. The angle subtended by an arc of a sector on the center is called sector angle. The area of a sector is proportional to the sector angle. So area of sector equals to हो जाएगा area of circle multiplied by x degree upon 360 degree. Sector हो जाएगा ये जो AB के अंदर का जो एरिया है ये हो जाएगा sector and this is the angle of sector and that is x degree. Next is quick funda. A sector is that part of the circle formed between two radii and the circumference. Next, area of sector in term of arc length. Area of sector AOB equals to हो जाएगा x degree upon 360 degree multiplied by pi r square. That is equals to 1 by 2 pi r into x degree upon 360 degree into r. That is equals to 1 by 2 into length of arc into radius. Length of arc equal हो जाएगी 2 pi r x degree के equal. So area of sector when length of arc is given equals to हो जाएगा 1 by 2 into length of arc multiplied by radius. Let's take an example. A sector of a circle of radius 7 cm has a sector angle of 60 degree. Find the area of sector. We have to find the area of sector. Area of sector क्या हो जाएगा pi r square x degree upon 360 degree. Put the value. Pi की जगह लिखेंगे 22 upon 7. R की वैल्यू गिवन है that is 7 सेंटीमीटर. 7 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. Angle is given 60 degree. So area of sector आ जाएगा 25.67 सेंटीमीटर square. Clear? Next is area of a segment of circle. AB is a chord of the circle of center O. The chord AB divide the circular region into two parts, each part having AB in its boundary. The smaller part AXB is called the minor segment and other part AYB is called the major segment. So this is the chord AB. It divides the circle into two parts. ये हो जाएगा minor AXB and this is major segment. This is minor segment यानी छोटा and this is major segment. Next is segment. The segment of a circle is the region enclosed by an arc of a circle and its chord. Area of minor segment AXB equals to क्या हो जाएगा? Area of sector OAXB minus area of triangle OAB. Area of major segment AYB equals to हो जाएगा area of circle minus area of minor segment AXB. Let's take an example. Find the area of segment of a circle of radius 35 cm if the arc of the segment has the measure of 90 degree. Solution क्या हो जाएगा? Area of sector OAXB. OAXB ये हमें ये वाला निकालना है. That is equals to हो जाएगा एंगल हमें गिवन है 90 डिग्री. सो 90 अपॉन 360 डिग्री मल्टीप्लाई बाय पाई आर स्क्वायर. 22 upon 7, R is given 35, 35 into 35 that is 962.50 centimeter square. ये क्या आ गया हमारा? Area of sector OAXB. The area of right triangle AOB. If we talk about this, इस triangle का क्या हो जाएगा? 1/2 multiply by 35 multiply by 35. That is equals to 612.50 centimeter square. ये area आ गया. Third is the area of segment AXB. AXB segment का जो area है, that is equals to area of sector OAXB. जो इसका area था उसमें से हम जो triangle है area of triangle OAB subtract करेंगे, get 350 centimeter square. Clear? Next, points to remember. Area of a sector equals to x degree upon 360 degree multiplied by pi r square, where r is the radius of circle and x degree is the sector angle. A sector of a circle is the region enclosed by an arc of the circle and the radii of its end point. Area of sector equals to हो जाएगा 1/2 multiplied by length of arc multiplied by radius. The angle subtended by an arc of a sector at the center is called the sector angle. The segment of the circle of the region enclosed by an arc of the circle and its chord. Area of minor segment AXB equals to क्या हो जाएगा? Area of sector OAXB minus area of triangle OAB. Area of major segment AXB equals to हो जाएगा area of the circle minus area of minor segment AXB. Next is Learning target 14.3. Critical thinking. Use pi as 22 upon 7 or 3.14. State your correct result. The radius of the circle is 14 centimeter. What is the area of segment whose arc is of measure 90 degree? So area find out करना है. Area equals to हो जाएगा x degree upon 360 degree multiply by pi r square. x 90 given है, 360 22 upon 7 multiply by 14 into 14. सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये आ जाएगा 56 मीटर स्क्वायर. That is the area. Clear? You have practiced all the question. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand the chapter well. Now you have to practice it.